Hi, my name's John Smith. I am a solutions architect for ExtraHop Networks. We are a Citrix ready partner, and today I want to talk to you about our new 4.0 platform and a little bit about the product that we have here for you to look at. So ExtraHop is a wire data analytics platform. We basically are able to observe your entire Citrix infrastructure without installing any agents on any of your machines. We don't do any WMI mining. We don't do any SNMP polling. We work completely passively by working off a network span. What you're looking at is our new 4.0 release. This is a quick dashboard that you're able to make. One of the things that I would like to call out, these dashboards are customizable. So if you wanted to do something along the lines of empowering your level 1 staff or your level 2 staff, you can actually put your entire run book in a dashboard. You can actually have this available. You can put things like your Citrix Platinum support account. You can put your named users in there. You can put the on-call. And what we've got here is some information about a demo Citrix environment. Here what we've done is use our trigger technology to break out the performance or the launches by location. What we've done is we've set up performance by CIDR block, and we're providing a friendly lookup of, here we have the Seattle 19th floor, external users on the CAG, the 24th floor in Seattle, the Philadelphia branch office. This is part of the power around a wire data analytics platform, is the ability to tap into the flows as they're coming by and do more than just look at latency, but look at latency from an intelligence point of view, see the latency by CIDR block or by campus, or see the latency per server. And as we're drilling down, we can take a look. Here we're logging the load time, and again we have the load time by application, the load times for specific users, the latency. This is a Citrix latency. Here we're looking at the latency metrics by location. Again, you may have a remote office that's experiencing high latency. We position you to be able to see that. Maybe it's an MPLS link where you have an SLA with a vendor and you notice that the latency is too high. We can provide some accountability there. Another thing we're able to drill into is the Citrix ICA channel. So I've had instances where a user was on Spotify or a user was actually watching a Netflix movie. We offer the ability to tap into the client-side flow, look at the ICA channels, and you would see there a really large spike in your audio traffic or a large spike in multimedia traffic. That's something that we're able to see by being one of the few vendors who has licensed the ICA protocol with the ability to tap into the ICA protocol. We can deliver this unique visibility without an AppFlow receiver or without an agent. Here we have some custom dashboards that we've built. Again, this is the load time. Here's the overall load times, the median, the mean. We can give you the load time by percentiles. Here we've broken out the load time by slow, users that have a launch that took longer than 30 seconds. Here we've broken out the load time by users that have normal logins. So you can kind of get a quick holistic view of which users are having a hard time logging in and which applications or which servers are taking a long time to launch. We do the same thing again with latency. Here we have the overall client latency, the median of 8. We have the lowest and then we have the highest. The other thing we're able to do with our trigger technology, we've actually logged users that are experiencing a high level of latency. So anyone who traverses the 300 millisecond threshold, they are accounted for here. The last thing I want to show you, in addition to visibility into the ICA stack, as a Citrix engineer for about 15 years, 70% of my troubleshooting was non-Citrix related. It was a slow downstream application or it was a slow downstream web server. So what I've got here is an app container. Here we have some additional metrics that you can look into in terms of the load time. Here we have a latency page and you can click here. Here we've got the latency by location for you. But more importantly, again, as 70% of my time troubleshooting was spent supporting other issues or dealing with issues not related to Citrix, what you're looking at is all of the layer 4 and layer 7 traffic. This is all of the web traffic that has sourced from your Citrix environment. So if you have PeopleSoft running and you have a slow web page, you can actually find out which web page is slow. So when you're in the process of proving the negative, which Citrix engineers have to do on a daily basis, we give you visibility not just into your ICA stack, but we give you visibility into the downstream transactions of your database, the downstream transactions of your web traffic, so that you can see the performance of the applications that you're delivering, so that when that is escalated as a Citrix problem, you can quickly make sure that your time's not wasted troubleshooting something that's not a Citrix issue. Please come by and see us. We are in booth 420. Once again, I'm John Smith from ExtraHop Networks, and we are Citrix Ready. Thanks.